Hi. First of all, wish you all a very happy World Photography Day. The World Photography Day is celebrated each year on the 19th of August so that people around the world can communicate their feelings and express themselves through this art of photography. The whole idea behind this day is to hold discussions about photography and encourage those who want to pursue photography as a hobby or as a career. At the same time, on this day, the pioneers who inspired others to take up this skill are also remembered for their valued contribution. The origin of this day lies in the invention of the daguerreotype, which is a photographic process developed by Frenchmen Louis Daguerre and Joseph Niepce in the year 1837. We at Deeparchan Charitable Trust, in line with our objectives of skill development and general awareness, also contribute to this annual global celebration of the art, science and history of photography on the occasion of World Photography Day, that is on the 19th of August, by releasing this audio visual on the 4 pillars of photography. This is to support the aim to inspire photographers across the planet to share their work with the entire world. The 4 pillars of photography are as follows. The first one is subject knowledge. The importance of subject knowledge is regardless of the genre of the photography. For instance, a good wildlife photographer needs to be acquainted with the nature first of all. A wedding photographer has to be familiar with the finer nuances of the different types of ceremonies involved in any wedding. This is definitely true for all types of genres. Once you have a sound understanding, you can definitely visualize and plan your shots well in advance. Second is the core fundamental concepts of photography. The digital camera has, in a sense, oversimplified photography. With superior technology being made affordable, taking an image is no longer a challenge, but making an image is definitely requiring a deeper understanding and a definite thought process. There are different types of parameters that one needs to work upon before the shutter button can actually be released. Third, the equipment and shooting techniques. The equipment needs vary with each type or genre of photography. Understanding the camera and the lens, exploiting their advantages, and working around their limitations needs a lot of practice. Be aware of the various accessories that might aid the genre of the photography. An optimal equipment setup with the right shooting skills and definitely lots of practice will all contribute together to superior image quality. Fourth, digital post-processing. The most often overlooked pillar of photography is the post-processing. This usually carries a negative connotation and is largely considered as manipulation with the actual image. Usually, post-processing is the digital counterpart of the chemical processing of film rolls and is an integral part of digital photography. The aim is to familiarize yourself with post-processing techniques early on in your career or your hobby so as to create top-notch images. It is usually said that you don't take a photograph but you make it. Your first 10,000 photographs are your worst. The beauty can be seen in all things. Seeing and composing the beauty is what separates the snapshot or an image from the photograph. It is the photographer, not the camera, that is the instrument. Kindly remember this quote so that you can make yourself into a fine photographer by creating fine images. Thank you.